Permanent ground rod installation. Grounding steel horse barn for lightning protection. Canadian Electrical Code calls for two 10-foot ground rods driven completely into the earth, no less than 10 feet apart and bonded together. Number 1. 10-foot ground rod tested 9.7 ohms with Wyoming gel mud added. Number 2. 10-foot ground rod tested 9.7 ohms with Wyoming gel mud added. Both rods bonded together tested 7.2 ohms. Temporary ground rod installation. Alberta requires only one 10-foot ground rod for temporary services of 200 amps or less. Temporary ground rod tested 9.2 ohms with Wyoming gel mud added. Advantages of using RU grounded. We use certified grounding rods with easily made connection points. Installation techniques allow moisture to seep into the bottom of the ground rod for lower earth resistance. We test and record our earth grounds with a certified Kairitsu earth tester. Easy installation and removal. No need to call the anchor truck to retrieve rig screw anchors. Ground rod is easily removed with skid steer or picker truck for reuse on your next location. For more information, please check out our website, rugrounded.ca, or contact Terry at 403-861-0486. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you in the field.